Hi, you guys. This is Kimmy reporting to you from sunny Florida. I always talk about it. I'm always in a room, and I said this time I am going to go outside and show you how pretty it is out here. So let's get right into it. I know you are here for NOW365 Microsoft update. So this week we are talking about upgrading V1 Power BI Workspaces. This action is required by May 15th. So starting May 15th, we'll begin rolling out the sequential automatic upgrade of all existing legacy V1 workspaces. As a part of this process, we will begin the deletion of empty V1 workspaces as a part of the upgrade process unless otherwise specified by admins. So if you are an admin, you can go in and use the public API to get an overview of the classic workspaces in their organization. We will be sure to include that link down below right next to the subscribe button. And again, this is happening May 15th. This is going to be updated. So just make sure that if you do have an existing legacy V1 workspace, that you do update it to the settings that you want it to be in the admin portal. So as again, we always like to make this short and sweet and helpful. Please go ahead and share to the ones that you know this would be helpful to. And we are Capital Presence. We are known to work wherever, which is why we are coming to you in Florida. Of course, my phone is ringing right now. So I will get to that phone call. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Have a great day. Thank you so much.